Psalm 23 is one of the most beloved passages in the Bible, often recited for comfort and reassurance. It is attributed to King David and expresses trust in God as a shepherd who provides, protects, and guides. Below is a breakdown of its key themes. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. This opening line establishes God as a caregiver. The metaphor of a shepherd signifies guidance and provision. The phrase I shall not want indicates complete trust in God's ability to meet all needs. He makes me lie down in green pastures. Green pastures symbolize peace and abundance. This imagery suggests that God provides rest and sustenance, allowing believers to find tranquility amid life's chaos. He leads me beside still waters. Still waters represent calmness and refreshment. This verse emphasizes spiritual renewal, indicating that God leads us to places where we can rejuvenate our souls. He restores my soul. Here the focus shifts to spiritual restoration. The idea is that God not only cares for physical needs, but also revives our inner being when we are weary or troubled. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. This verse highlights divine guidance towards moral living and righteousness, reinforcing that following God's path brings honor to His name. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. The valley of the shadow of death symbolizes difficult times or danger. Despite these challenges, faith in God provides courage and assurance against fear. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. This line reassures believers of God's presence during trials. The rod and staff are tools used by shepherds for protection and guidance, symbolizing God's active role in safeguarding His followers. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. A table signifies abundance and blessing, even amidst adversity. This illustrates that God provides for us regardless of external circumstances or opposition. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Anointing with oil represents blessing and honor, while an overflowing cup symbolizes abundance and joy in life provided by God's grace. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. This closing affirmation expresses confidence that God's goodness and love will accompany believers throughout their lives. And I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. The final verse conveys hope for eternal fellowship with God, emphasizing a lasting relationship beyond this life. Psalm 23 encapsulates themes of divine care, guidance, protection, provision, restoration, courage in adversity, blessings amidst challenges, joy from God's grace, assurance of goodness throughout life, and hope for eternal communion with God.